Now, matrix. Matrix means it is the arrangement of some numbers into the form of rows and columns. Means I have numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 0, 1. Clear? That is the horizontal lines. Clear? The horizontal lines are called as rows, and the vertical lines are called as column. Clear? So that is the horizontal line number 1. So that is R1 means first row. That is the second row, and that is your third row. Clear? That is first vertical line. So that is column number 1. That is the column number 2, and it is the column number 3. Clear? So what is the matrix? Means arrangement of some numbers. How many numbers? So that is m into n numbers. What is m? It tells about number of rows. What is n? It tells about number of columns. Clear? So that is about row and that is about column. RC registered company याद रखने के लिए, राशन कार्ड याद रखने के लिए. Clear? So that is M means rows and N means columns. Clear? So that is represented by a capital letter alphabet. Clear? So that is M into N numbers in the form of some rows. These are the rows and that is the column. Is called as a matrix. Now, what is the meaning of elements of matrix? So it is a matrix. Matrix is denoted by capital letters. Clear? And the numbers or the members or the values are written in small square brackets. Clear? So that is element means every member 1, 2, 3 जितने भी हम इसमें numbers लिखेंगे, number write-ups करेंगे, all the numbers, all the values that may be real numbers or that may be the imaginary numbers. Clear? All the numbers in the matrix are called as the elements of the matrix. Like in a family, like a Sharma family, Gupta family and a Verma family, जितने भी उसमें members हैं, all the members are of Sharma family, all the members are of Gupta family. Means the elements means all the numbers, all the members. Now, notation of matrix. How the matrix is to be represented? That is, it is represented by, मैंने आपको बताया जैसे बेटा अभी, it is represented by a capital letters, but it is also represented as A, I, J in the square brackets. What is the meaning of A, I, J? So that is represented as A, I, J. S मैंने अभी आपको बताया है M into N का मतलब हमारे पास क्या होता है? R, C, rows and columns. Clear? अगर मैं आपको जनरल नोटेशंस इसकी बताता हूँ बेटा मैट्रिक्स की, तो दैट इज A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32 and A33. What is the meaning of this? ये हमारे पास एक मैट्रिक्स की नोटेशन. Clear? तो what is the meaning of A11? A means element, 1 means row, and that is column. Also to be your standard form हमारे पास इसकी क्या है notation A I J. A represent the element of the matrix. I represents the number of row in matrix, and that is about column. यानी कि जो हमारे पास ये एलिमेंट है वो कौन सी रो और कौन से कॉलम से बिलोंग करता है. क्लियर? A11 means this elements belongs to first row and first column. This element belongs to first row, second column. This element belongs to first row and third column. This belongs to second row, first column. This belongs to second row and second column, and this element belongs to second row and third column, and so on. So that is the notations of the matrix. That is, A means element, I tells about which of the row with which given elements belong. I represents the column with which the given elements belong. Clear? तो अगर मैं small a लिखता हूं तो means it tells about the element of the matrix. अगर मैं capital A लिखता हूं means it is the notations of the matrix. Clear? So that is about the matrix, its notation, its elements of the matrix. Now next is diagonal elements of matrix. Clear? Diagonal elements of the matrix means अगर मेरे पास कोई matrix है like 1 2 0 minus 1 and another matrix is like 1 2 3 minus 1 0 1 4 minus 1 and 5. Diagonal elements, the elements which belongs to along this. Diagonal elements के along means diagonal elements के लिए A I J. Listen here. I is equal to J. Rows और column दोनों की वैल्यू सेम होगी. Means अगर मैं इसकी पोजीशन देखता हूं तो इस पोजीशन की एलिमेंट्स की पोजीशन क्या होगी? दैट इज A11 और इसकी पोजीशन क्या है? दैट इज A22. 11 A11 A22 A33. जो वैल्यू I की है वही वैल्यू J की है, जो वैल्यू I की है वही वैल्यू J की है. If the value of I and J both are to the equal means that elements lie on the diagonal elements. In the same way, these are also to be your diagonal elements. Means इसकी पोजीशन क्या होगी? इसकी पोजीशन that is A11. इसकी पोजीशन क्या होगी? that is A22. और इस 5 की पोजीशन हमारे पास क्या होगी? that is A23. Clear? Now, row matrix, that's the types of the matrices. First, row matrix. The matrix in which having only one row. Clear? Like 1 2 3. It has only one row is called as a row matrix. Clear? Columns बेशक more than one हो सकते हैं हमारे पास, but having only one row is called as a row matrix. Again, column matrix, the matrix having only one column like 1 2 minus 1. it has only one column. Row means horizontal lines. Column means vertical lines on which the elements are to be present. Square matrix. The square matrix in which I is equal to Z means number of rows will be equal to the number of columns in the matrix, like A 2 1 1 minus 1. So that is number of rows कितनी है? First row, second row, first column, second column. So number of rows भी 2 है, number of columns भी 2 है. Clear? And also to be your another matrix 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 0 1. It has 3 rows and 3 columns. The in which number of rows and number of columns are to be equal, that is called as a square matrix. Clear? Rectangular, in which number of rows are not equal to the number of columns, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 1 2 3 1 minus 1 and 0. Clear? So what is the order? What is the order of matrix? हम इसका अगर ऑर्डर लिखना चाहूं बेटा मैं, तो मींस ऑर्डर के लिए पहले रोज इनटू कॉलम्स, पहले रोज की इंफॉर्मेशन इनटू कॉलम, एंड इट इज इसमें रोज कितने हमारे पास 2 और इसके कॉलम्स कितने हैं 2, दैट इज दिस. तो इट्स ऑर्डर इज रीड एज 2 by 2 ऑर्डर. इसमें हमारे पास कितना बेटा 3 by 3 ऑर्डर. इसका ऑर्डर कितना है? इसमें रोज कितने हैं 1 2 3 इनटू कॉलम्स कितने हैं 2. इट्स ऑर्डर इज 3 by 2 and its rows is 1 2 and column is 1 2 3, that is to be your this. Clear? Diagonal matrix. The diagonal matrix in which all the known diagonal elements are equal to 0. Known diagonal elements are equal to 0. Like मैं एक आपके पास एग्जांपल्स करता हूं बेटा. 1 5 6 0 0 0 0 and this. Clear? Like and this. तो डायगोनल एलिमेंट्स कौन से होते हैं? जिसमें नंबर ऑफ रोज और नंबर ऑफ कॉलम्स की वैल्यूज इक्वल होती है हमारे पास. क्लियर? a11 a22 a33 these are constant values and other will be equal to 0 is called as the diagonal matrix. Now the main is your identity matrix. Identity matrix means all known diagonal elements are equal to 0 and diagonal elements having the value 1. Means मेरे पास एक एलिमेंट्स है like 1 0 0 1. मेरे पास एक और मैट्रिक्स है like 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1. क्लियर? अब इसमें रोज कितने हैं 2, कॉलम्स भी कितने हैं 2. क्लियर? रोज कितने हैं 3 एंड कॉलम्स भी कितने हैं 3. आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स इज ऑलवेज बी योर स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स इन व्हिच नंबर ऑफ रोज एंड कॉलम्स विल बी इक्वल. क्लियर? तो दैट इज हम इसको शॉर्ट फॉर्म में I2 भी लिखते हैं बेटा. I का मतलब आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स, 2 means 2 by 2 order. In the same way, that is also to be written as I3 means identity matrix of order 3 by 3. So that is about your types of the matrices. The scalar multiplications, that is the basic operation on the matrices, means K into A. अगर मैं किसी भी मैट्रिक्स को किसी कांस्टेंट नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करता हूं तो मींस एवरी एलिमेंट विल बी मल्टीप्लाइड विद दैट matrices k into that is a I j. That is, for example, I have a matrix 1 2 minus 1 and 3. Clear? So 2 into a means 2 is multiplied by with the matrices, means every element of the a will be multiplied by 2, means 2 into 1 2 minus 1 and 3. तो इसको जब मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे बेटा 2 इसके साथ भी इसके साथ भी इसके साथ भी और सभी के साथ मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा, यू विल गेट हियर 2 4 2 minus 2 that is 6. So that is called as the scalar multiplications. Clear? Negative of the matrix. अगर मेरे पास कोई मैट्रिक्स है like 1 0 2 and this, ठीक है, और मैंने इसको किसी नेगेटिव नंबर के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करना है, माइनस करना है, कुछ भी है, तो माइनस 1 इंटू दिस, यानी कि माइनस ऑफ द नेगेटिव ऑफ द मैट्रिक्स, मींस माइनस 1 के साथ आप इस सारे मैट्रिक्स को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, दैट इज माइनस 1 minus this minus 2 and minus 3. So that is about the scalar multiplication and your negative of the matrix. Now about the addition and subtractions of the matrix. अगर हम किन्हीं भी दो मैट्रिसेस को एडिशन करना चाहते हैं या उनकी बेटा सब्ट्रैक्शन करना चाहते हैं, तो सबसे पहली बात है फॉर एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन बोथ मैट्रिसेस शुड हैव सेम ऑर्डर. अगर मेरे पास कोई मैट्रिक्स है दैट इज 1 2 3 4 एंड अनदर मैट्रिक्स है बेटा मेरे पास 1 -1 3 एंड 4, अगर मैंने इनको आपस में एडिशन करना है, आपस में इनकी सब्ट्रैक्शन करनी है, तो इसका ऑर्डर मेरे पास क्या है 2/2, इसका ऑर्डर मेरे पास क्या है 2/2. तो बोथ शुड हैव सेम ऑर्डर एंड corresponding elements will be added in the corresponding element of another matrix. First element will be added in the first element, second element in the second element of the another matrix, means A plus B. So I will write here like this: 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 2 plus this, 2 this, 3 plus 3, 3 plus 3, 4 plus 4, 4 plus 4. You will get here 1 plus 1, 2, this 1, this 6, 4 plus 4, 8. The answer will again be of same order, that is also of 2/2. Clear? अगर इन दोनों मैट्रिसेस का ऑर्डर डिफरेंट है, they cannot be added, not to be subtracted. Clear? अब इन्हीं दोनों अगर मैं मैट्रिसेस को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना चाहता हूं, दैट इज A minus B, so that is first matrix is 1 2 3 4, that is 1 minus 1 3 and 4. So I will get here, इसमें से ये वाला एलिमेंट माइनस होगा 1 minus 1, 2 minus 1 3 minus 3 4 minus 4. So I will get here 1 minus 1 0. इसको सोल्व करता हूं तो I will get here 3. This minus this 0. This minus this 0. That is again of the order 2/2. So I think the condition is to be clear here that for the addition or the subtraction both matrices should have same order. Now matrix A in which the diagonal elements are this. B matrix in the diagonal elements are these. third matrix C in the diagonal elements are this. If the diagonal elements are to be given, it means remaining non-diagonal elements are 0. So A matrix will be here 2, -5, 9, 0, 0, 0 and 0. B matrix -3, 7, 14, 0, 0 and this. ठीक है ना, जो वैल्यू है 2, -5, 9 ये हमने डायगोनल एलिमेंट्स के अलोंग लिख ली, बाकी सबको 0. नॉन डायगोनल एलिमेंट्स विल बी 0. लाइक 4, -6, 3, 0, 0 and this. All elements will be 0. And you have to find the value of 2a plus b minus 5c. Clear? 2. What is A matrix? 2, 0, 0, 0, -5, 0, 0, 0, 9 plus B matrix, that is -3, this 0, 7, 0 and 0, 0, 14, -5 C 4, 0, 0, 0 -6, this 0, 0, 3. Scalar multiplication, so all the elements will be multiplied by 2. Now that is 4 -10, 18, -3, 0, 7, 0, 0, 0, 14. This multiply 20. 0, this minus 30. 0, 0, 5 into 3, 15. Clear? इन दोनों मैट्रिक्स को ऐड कर दे बेटा. तो this 1, 0, 0, 0, -10 plus 7 minus 3, 0, 0, 0, this plus this 32 minus this 20, this 0 minus 30, this 0, 0, 15, and you will get here 1 minus 20 minus 90, 0, 0, 0 -3 minus this, so you will get here 27, 0, 0, 0, 32 minus 15, that is 70. तो that is about. अब इस क्वेश्चन में बेटा हमारे पास एडिशन भी क्लियर हो गई, सब्ट्रैक्शन भी क्लियर हो गई. इफ द मैट्रिक्स इज इन गिवन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ द डायगोनल एलिमेंट्स, वो भी हमारे को क्लियर हो गया. ओके बेटा. नाउ इन दिस क्वेश्चन दिस मैट्रिक्स प्लस दिस मैट्रिक्स इक्वल टू, इन दोनों का सम जो है इक्वल टू दिस मैट्रिक्स, एंड यू हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ x एंड y. क्लियर? So addition of the matrix will be here. X minus y plus 3. 2, this 0. This plus this 0. 4 plus 1 5. X plus this x. 6 plus this 5. Equal to 6, 0, 0, 5, 2x plus y and 5. These are two equal matrices. Equal matrices are those matrices in which the corresponding elements are equal to each other. तो इनके जो corresponding elements होंगे ना बेटा, उनको हम equalize कर देंगे. Like this first element will be equal to this, and this element will be equal to this. Like x minus 3 plus 3 equal to 6. So x minus y equal to 3. That is the condition number 1. And also x is equal to 2x plus y. Clear? So x plus y equal to 0. That is the condition number 2. अब दोनों को एलिमिनेशन की हेल्प से सॉल्व कर लेंगे. लाइक 1 minus 2, x minus y equal to 3 and x plus y equal to this. अच्छा आप इनको प्लस भी कर लोगे ना तो भी हो जाएगा. That is to be this. 2x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 3 by 2. Putting the value of x here, that is x plus y is equal to this. X values 3 by 2 plus y is equal to this and y is equal to minus 3 by 2. So that is about this addition and the subtraction of the. इसमें हमारे को ये भी क्लियर होगा what is the meaning of equal matrix in which the corresponding elements are equal to each other. Clear students?